Good morning. What's up, mga pre? What's down? How to this video, how to install Mobile Legends in gameloop updated. Check update first. It's already latest version, but here you have to type this to Mobile Legends. Bang. Kaso wala dito yung Mobile Legends. You have to minimize this. First, you must go to the internet, Google Chrome. You must Mobile Legends bang APK for PC, and then you have to click this site, Mobile Legends for Android app coins. You must download it. There you go. And you must close this. You must download this and wait for a while. That's all. Wait for the you must wait for the 99 MB 99 MB per yung size ng Mobile Legends, kasi wala dito maka-install, kaya yan mga guys. Pagkatapos ng install yan, napupunta yan sa download ng ng files. Then click this one, 3 dot, install APK installation. Then that's the one we have to download this. After you download, then we open it. Just click open. Wait for a while for the installation. That's all. We have loading. We have to install the Mobile Legends. Bing. TikTok for more. Wait for a while. 98% installing the game. That's all for now. Then here we go. That's the Mobile Legends. Bang. Install your gameloop latest version. And wait for about 164% as long as you that's 10 munton. Server ng munton yan. Mobile standing bing. That's we go to how to install the Mobile Legends. That's all for now for this video. See you for the next video, mga guys. Salamat sa patunood. Share, like, and comment. If magtatanong kayo, contact lang po. And there you go. Laila de Lima. Sabi na, ay sorry sa Laila ito ba. Nag-abay pa si Laila. Oy, sige, bye bye guys. See you next video.